become a host for a bill that's way down in a substantive committee and hasn't moved, the host bill will be re-referenced. It'll be re-referenced because you picked up a new substantial issue which is in another committee and is the subject of another bill. So nothing wrong with adding the subject of another bill to your bill and you become the host of it. But if you do that, you run a risk. The risk is if you pick up new issues that would properly be the jurisdiction of another committee, we won't be able to skip that committee. The bill will be re-referenced. That's already beginning to happen. Bills that are ready for approach or ready for rules and therefore teed up soon to go to the floor are becoming hosts. And as they become hosts, they will pick up references, and instead of just going to approach or rules and to the floor, they'll go back to that committee that they were trying to skip over. So just bear in mind there's a risk. If you agree to take on another bill and host that bill, then your bill, the base bill, may find itself, because it's now picked up a new substantial issue, you may find yourself with your host bill back in front of another committee, and that slows you down. And we can see the end from here, so you don't want to slow your bills down. So do what you wish. That's a decision that you make as sponsors, but don't be surprised, and we keep the promise we made to you, and that is to not try to have sleight of hand, but rather to have a full vetting of issues before committees.